stop buying expensive bouquets from your local florist, I can show you how to make this very inexpensively. My friend asked for black and white, so I found as many white flowers as I could. I'm not going to use all of these, I just wanted some options, and I went and cut some lilac and peony greens from my backyard. Dried them off and cut them down to size. These are going to work perfectly to add a little green into our arrangement. Now, one of their favorite flowers is plumeria, and I wanted to add them in fresh, but I can't find them locally, so we found these silk flowers. I'm putting a couple of these pins in the center, so we have a little bling in the middle of the arrangement. And to use these, I'm going to have to wire them. So I'm just pushing a florist wire through the flower, and then I'm going to tape it with florist tape. This allows me to use it in the arrangement and manipulate and turn the stem exactly the direction that I need it to be. After taping it, I'm ready to get started. So I have some hydrangea to start with. It's a good base for a bouquet. I'm going to add some white roses in here, leaving some of the greenery, but pulling any petals that are damaged or browned. I have a good hold on the flowers, but I'm holding them loosely so I can continue to add flowers in, and then they're going to move around. So I'm going to put some down inside the hydrangea to control where they're going to go, and I'm going to try to start filling in gaps with the smaller flowers. You can see I started with the largest. I worked my way into the roses, the medium size, and now I'm adding these little touches of plumeria in all the little gaps. I like to work in odd numbers, so you'll find that I think I added 5 roses and 5 plumeria in here. I had other flowers to use, decided not to use them because I thought it looked simply beautiful like this. And I just added a little bit of greenery, pulling little bits of leaves in through, and then wrapping the stems to hold it all together. Now I like to cover up this tape by putting a little ribbon over top, and because they asked for black and white, I went ahead and wrapped the stem with some black ribbon. When I get to the top of that, wrapping it nice and tight, I'm pushing some of those pins in to hold it in place. And then I added a couple loops of ribbon to finish it off.